So the next platform that I want to share with you is OfferVault, and this is a CPA platform. And the kind of difference there with CPA and like just typical affiliate marketing is okay. Affiliate marketing, you are sending somebody to a link to buy a product, and when they buy that product, you're going to get a commission on that. A CPA means cost per action, and what that means is when you send somebody to a specific website or a product or whatever that may be, you're going to get paid for a lead whenever somebody submits their information, okay, and they actually are looking to either buy a product or they're interested. That doesn't necessarily mean that they have bought the product. You can see here $3.15 per lead, $2.99 per lead. And this is like an investment here, like looks like it's a Forex. Okay, so these people are willing to pay out $299 per lead, right? That they get for you submitting, having somebody come in and submit their information. So we can see here, this is paying $6 per lead for some kind of game, $55 per lead. So you're able to, let's see this one here. No, I don't want to pull that up here. I think this is some kind of diet or something. Okay, so this is great. So essentially, you're going to send people here to this landing page and look at it. It's very compelling, right? Very compelling to somebody that is a female that is looking to lose weight and they're looking for a way to, burn fat. And so literally somebody's coming here and they are getting, I think this is a deal here to get a sample or something like that. But essentially, you're sending people to here, to this landing page, okay? People are submitting their information, and if they're buying it, where do we send this package to? Okay, so I think it's one of those like free plus shipping kind of deals. So you're getting paid for every person that comes in here and submits their information. So for a lead, right? And so that's kind of the difference there, really the biggest difference there between like simple affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. So cost per action. You're getting paid for people that are taking a specific action, typically inputting their name, email, and phone number, or whatever information that this particular landing page is requiring.